It's a real pleasure to be here to celebrate the achievement of the Faculty of Health and Life Sciences in securing the Engage Watermark Silver Award. What stands out most clearly, most impressively, is the coherence and vitality of the faculty's approach. So let me take you back to when we started the process. And what we were looking for was to understand not just what engagement activity happened, but how deeply it lived in the culture of the faculty. And we found some very special things. So engagement, it just seems to be happening everywhere: corridors, clinics, labs, lecture theatres, chance conversations, and structured level faculty groups, working groups, and of course through the public engagement team, whose staff described as knowledgeable, approachable, and essential to making the work possible. So I think, it's a faculty clearly where engagement is part of the everyday pulse of life. It's energizing research, it's shaping teaching, it's connecting the universities to the city and to the communities that it serves. And what we found through the review was some really distinctive qualities. The first was an ethos of social responsibility, I think, running through the whole faculty. Staff repeatedly talked about wanting to open the university up to everyone, to break down barriers to participation, to contribute to positive social global impact, whether that was through programs like Seagull, Trusted Pause, the Malawi Liverpool Welcome Partnership, a long list. Second, it was the strength and the clarity of leadership. And engagement here is not left to individual enthusiasm. We found that each institute has got a public engagement lead. There's a faculty academic lead. And senior leaders consistently show commitment, modelling engagement as a really valued part of academic practice. I think the third thing we found was that the faculty support infrastructure is admired and effective. I've said already how often people praise the public engagement team, the structured opportunities for training, the informal learning like tips and treats, all of which build confidence and capability across the faculty, some of it formal, some of it more formal and emergent. The final part of the watermark process is the action plan, and you produced an excellent action plan. It was clear, it was coherent, it was well aligned with the broader Liverpool institutional strategy. It spoke to Ref 29, and it also responded to what we'd heard, the feedback from partners and from staff. Things that you're prioritizing that seem to matter were working still to develop a really shared understanding of public engagement, strengthening the recognition, widening access for students, simplifying collaboration, and also investing more in long-term partnership working. All of this is a mark of a faculty that's not just committed to engagement, but committed to doing it really well. So that's why we awarded you a Silver Award. It's not just a kind of an endorsement, it's signals an institution where engagement is prioritized. It's been prioritized over several years, it's operating effectively, it's backed by visible leadership, there's success measures in place, there's a strong commitment to the future as well. And that, I think, is the most important thing to end on, really, is that commitment to the vitality of engagement as part of the faculty as you move into the next 3 years. It's going to be there. It's going to be there in the conversations, I think, that everyone is having, the formal, the informal, the strategic, the spontaneous. That's what we really loved about getting to know you. Engagement here feels lived in, relational, real. So this is more than an award. I think it's a real celebration of a group of people working together with their partners to make the university more open, responsible, and deeply connected. So congratulations to everyone. It's a real significant achievement, and it places you, I think, really purposefully for the future.